In the heart of the 14th century, a dark shadow fell upon medieval Europe. The year was 1347, and the shadow was none other than the dreaded Black Death, a relentless epidemic that would forever change the continent's social landscape. The Black Death, also known as the Plague, originated in Asia and swiftly made its way westward, crossing the trade routes and reaching the busy Mediterranean port cities of Sicily and Genoa. The disease, spread by fleas on infected rats, soon took root in the densely populated urban centers, where people lived in cramped quarters, making the spread of the disease almost inevitable. As the plague advanced, the once bustling streets of Europe fell silent. People feared the air itself, and with good reason. The disease was merciless, striking down the young and old, rich and poor alike. The death toll soared, leaving entire villages and towns desolate. The social fabric of medieval Europe began to unravel as the Black Death took hold. The Church, once a pillar of society, struggled to explain the inexplicable. The clergy's inability to halt the plague led to a decline in religious faith, as many turned instead to superstition and witchcraft in a desperate search for answers. In the absence of effective medical intervention, the aristocracy fled the cities, leaving the lower classes to fend for themselves. The peasants, who had been the backbone of the feudal system, were suddenly left without their lords. Some seized this opportunity to demand better working conditions and wages, while others took control of the abandoned estates. The Black Death also had profound consequences for the economy. With the loss of so many lives, labor became scarce, and wages soared. The once powerful merchant class struggled to maintain their wealth, and the feudal system began to crumble. In the aftermath of the Black Death, Europe was forever changed. The plague left a deep scar on the social, economic, and religious fabric of the continent. The disease brought about a shift in power dynamics, sparking a new era of social and economic upheaval. The Black Death was more than just a disease. It was a catalyst for change, a turning point in history that would reverberate through the ages. The plague may have been a harbinger of doom, but it also marked the dawn of a new era, one where the balance of power would never again be the same.